Believe it or not, a whopping 90% of dog owners consider their pets as part of the family. But no matter how much we love them, there are times when we need to set some boundaries, literally. That's where a custom dog gate comes in handy. Today, we're going to walk you through the process of creating your very own custom dog gate. This is a simple yet rewarding project that can be tailored to suit any home decor style and any dog size. The first step in this DIY journey involves gathering the necessary materials. These include a sturdy wooden frame, hinges and screws, a latch or lock mechanism, and if you wish to add some flair, some wood stain or paint. Of course, you'll also need your trusty tools, a saw, drill, measuring tape, level, and a screwdriver. The success of this project largely depends on precision. So grab that measuring tape and ensure you get accurate dimensions for your gate. Remember, measurements are not just about the width and height, you also need to consider the size of your dog. When it comes to design, think functionality meets aesthetics. Your gate should serve its purpose while adding a touch of charm to your home. Whether you're going for a rustic appeal or a sleek modern look, there's room for creativity. With your design in mind, it's time to get your hands dirty. Cut your wooden frame pieces to size and assemble them meticulously. Remember, alignment is key here. Once you've assembled your frame, attach it to the wall or door frame using your level to ensure it's perfectly straight. Secure it in place with screws. Now, for the cherry on top, install your latch or lock mechanism. This will keep your gate securely closed and your furry friends safely where they need to be. And voila! Your custom dog gate is complete. This project is not only about creating a practical solution for your home, but also about adding a personal touch to your decor. So there you have it. A simple, cost-effective DIY project that's not only functional, but also adds a dash of personality to your home. Feel free to drop your questions or share your own DIY creations in the comments section. And don't forget, there's always a new project around the corner. So subscribe and stay tuned for more DIY magic. Thanks for joining us today and happy building.